Well, I think everyone's fall favorite plant or flower is the chrysanthemum, and I am at an amazing chrysanthemum garden. I'm with Tamara, and Tamara, you're actually an organization of mum people.
Yes, we are the Portland Chrysanthemum Society.
And these are just amazing, but these aren't like the mums we see at all the nurseries this time of year. What do you call these?
These are exhibition mums.
Amazing. And so I can see that there may be just a little bit more work than growing the mums, the kind of cushion mums.
A little more work, yes.
So how do you start with those?
We get rooted cuttings from King's Mums in Oklahoma, and then we pinch them and we fertilize them and grow them up, and then we plant them and get them on sticks to keep them tall and straight. We disbud them.
Is that what gives you that big main flower?
Yes, yes.
Wow.
You get one big main flower.
Amazing.
And it's spectacular.
It is. And then can you tell us a couple of the different forms, because there's almost like, I don't know, I'm seeing 10 different forms right here.
Yeah, there are basically 13 forms, but there's one category called exotic, which is a blend of
Sure.
those that don't fit into any other particular one. This is a number 3. It's called a regular incurve. This type is an anemone.
Aw.
There's also the reflexes. The reflex, they come out and reflex down.
Sure.
And then this one right here is
That bronzy one?
The bronzy one here. This is a spider.
Wow. That is amazing. And I know that there's one just a little bit farther away that you showed us the difference between a spray and then what you do to make just that show. And so that difference there again.
That difference is that I let only 3 stems come up and I disbud it down to 3 large blooms. The other one I let go to spray, and you get 25 little blooms.
Ah.
So they're still the same form, but they're just much smaller.
And really, so these are, some of them are like 6 feet tall, but you can do shorter ones too. If my garden's a little bit smaller, I can do shorter ones.
You can, and that's what these ones here are. I planted these and I gave them a application of a product called B9. And B9 is a growth regulator, so it keeps them nice and short. And we even take them down a little further and do one like this.
Look at that.
And this is what we call a fukusuka, and it's the Japanese style of doing little doll heads. So you'll have a great big flower on a very short plant.
That is amazing. And so, but even now you have them under cover. So why are they under cover this time of year?
To keep the rain off them.
Ah.
The rain can damage them very easily, and also the wind can knock them around. So you can see that you've spent 7 months growing them.
Right,
you don't want to lose them now to the weather.
Right.
So that's why they're under cover now.
And you know, there is a special event going on today and tomorrow, and so I want to go over and talk to Conrad about this special event.
Okay.
Well, all these beautiful flowers have been a tease to us, but there is a way to see them, and I'm with Conrad. And Conrad, your society is having a big show this weekend, aren't you?
That's correct. Today and tomorrow at Portland Nursery on 90th and Division. This is going to be our 80th year.
Wow.
And since 1939, we're the oldest society in the United States.
Wow.
And at our show this weekend, both today and tomorrow, again, you can see not only these beautiful flowers, but we're also going to have lots of them for sale.
Oh, so I can do them at home. That's wonderful.
That's correct. And as Tamara showed you, the little small ones, we actually applied B9 to a lot of these to keep them small so that people could have a chance to buy these this year.
And so there's going to be a class today too.
That's correct. From 1 to 2, Tamara and I will be giving a presentation on how to grow mums from start to finish, and there will also be a PowerPoint presentation for visual as well.
That's going to be so much helpful because we're going to need it, because we want to grow them just as beautiful as you guys do.
And everyone can do this.
That's great. Thank you for that advice. Well, if you have any questions, please go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to the website, and you can come out today and tomorrow to the Portland Nursery on Division, see all these flowers, and then also get lots of information. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful event.
Thank you.